Time to take out the WORKPRO 3-tier plastic utility cart. Okay, so it looks like the pipes are made out of what is probably aluminum. Got a very nice blue coloring on there. Fairly thin wall, but definitely made out of metal. Got 2 packs of those. We got our casters. So we do have 2 of the locking casters and 2 of the non-locking casters. They are 360 degree. And some pretty decent wheels on there. Got our manual. It looks like we got pretty decent instructions on that. So here are the handles. Nice and thick, which I appreciate. They are hollow on the bottom, but they are reinforced. This is our shelf. There's a nice textured surface on there. It does have a fence going all the way around the back, but no fence here on the front. So you can slide heavy stuff off the front very easily. Okay, so it looks like they are all the same. Minus this one does not have the WORKPRO logo here on the front. And this one is going to be the bottom, because that has the holes for the casters. So we're just going to push that pin into that hole. It goes together pretty quick and pretty easy. I would recommend having a mallet on hand. I believe this is a 3-pound mallet, but she rolls super smooth. Much tighter fit on here than I was expecting. That's going to be a very good thing, because that means that the whole thing isn't going to be wobbling around when you put a lot of weight on it. So a stiff fit that does require a mallet is going to be a good thing. But with that, the fact that we don't have to put a bunch of screws into here, literally just a mallet, we hammer the thing together and it goes real quick. I appreciate that. So we've got our locking casters here. You can put this anywhere that you want to. I chose to put them both on one side because that's what I usually do. But if you want to, you can put them 2 on the front. That way, if you push this into a corner, you'll be able to lock that from either side. But all we're going to do is push that lever down, and that caster is locked. It can still rotate, but it cannot spin the wheel. It's definitely a good looking utility cart, and I also appreciate the fact that they left this open right here on the front. It does mean things can roll off if you put something on there that can roll. But what it especially means for me is that when I get a bunch of dirty stuff on here, I can just wipe all that off. I don't have to like dig into the corners like I do on most utility carts. So I appreciate that design. Definitely runs nice and smooth. No worries about wiggles or anything. I can lift it up. Don't have to worry about the handles falling off. Overall, that's a very nice little utility cart.